Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your whole Spotify account with all its data. Now, it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you this on a mobile device, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up the Spotify application, and from out here you see your home screen. Now, what you want to do, you want to sign into your account which you want to delete and go to the top left corner where your profile picture appears. Now, from out here we choose the third option called Settings and Privacy, and here we want to go to the account settings. Now, as you can see here, the last option in these small letters is the one we're looking for. To close your account yourself and delete your data permanently, click here. Now, this will send you to the location-based website where you're from. I'm from the Netherlands, so this is Dutch. And as you can see here, you can end your subscription with your account. And after this, you have 7 days to consider your deletion. So if you sign in after 7 days, you can still reactivate your Spotify account. Now, it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.